guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Vertux 4-in-1 starter gaming kit. This is a present for my mother and father. And outside of the box, we have some labels. We have the 4-in-1 starter kit. We have the specs. We have optimized tracking, non-slip, durable clicks, LED memory, mousepad and everything like that. And yeah, let's now open it. We have the keyboard. We need last. We have the headset. We have mouse. Some cardboard and guide, and we have the mousepad. Let's keep the box aside as well. First, let's check the headset. Some plastic. Here's the headset. And extend the mic. Here we have the headset. Yes, in this headset we have a flexible mic. If you accidentally drop the mic, it doesn't break very easily. We have some RGB lighting on the side. I will show you in a second. We can extend our headset. We have a 3.5mm jack with also a 3.5mm splitter for the older computers. This is a very long cable as well, and this is very comfortable and fits my head pretty well, and I can adjust the mic when I want to play some games or to record something. And this mic also has a light. This also has a light to indicate where the mic is. That's for the headset. Let's keep it aside. Now for the mouse. Some wrapping. Don't need the box. We have a nice mouse with a comfortable grip as well, with a big scroll wheel with rubber grip, and have DPS buttons, and two side buttons, and also a long cable as well. And this also has RGB. Keep it aside. Next we have the mouse pad, I think. Let's keep it out. Now we have the mouse pad. By the way, this is also RGB, and this also uses USB-C to turn on the RGB. If you see, here's the port, and we have the lighting settings. I will show you in a minute. Well, it has a nice pad and optional. It says optional tracking, and it's really good. It's really smooth. And last but not least, we have the keyboard. Yes, the keyboard. We have nice keys. Very strong type keys, and this has flippers, and it has a very like a rugged look to it, and the clicks are good. And we have some mic optional things, and all the basic of a keyboard are there. and more RGB. This says it has like rainbow RGB, like it goes in a wave like motion in RGB, like goes through colors like that. Now I will get my laptop to test them, how much good they are, or how's the RGB looking, and how's the sound quality, like that. Now I will bring my computer.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Well, this is how it looks. I will really like it. We have light modes, and that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, subscribed it, and hit the notification button to get notified on my upcoming videos. And bye.
Gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make